Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you all are doing well. I'm Jenny and I speak everything about self-care, makeup and fashion. Today I'm back with another product review. I got to try out recently launched lip oils. You know I absolutely love lip oils. So let's see if it's worth a try, and today I'm going to speak about Blur India It's Giving Honey lip oils. So let's get into the video without any further delay. Blur India It's Giving Honey Hydrating Lip Oils comes in 5 different variants, and it also comes with 5 beautiful sticker packs that matches with the theme of each of the variant. So this is so cute. So let's just read about the product claims and the descriptions from the brand end. So they have said that it contains a hyaluronic acid and fruit extract. It is super pigmented, lightweight, non-sticky formula. It provides long-lasting hydration while providing a glossy mirror-like shine. The hydration of honeys but no bees involved, so that's quite great. So as I said before, it comes in 5 different variants. Speaking about their packaging, it comes in a very classic transparent bottle packaging with a doe foot applicator. So first of all, the doe foot applicator is quite big, as you can see here. So it just hugs the lips and it just provides that one swipe, that's it is enough, right? So the packaging wise, it's so good. It's classic, it's good, and it's cute. And it also comes with this beautiful set of stickers. Even if you buy one variant, it comes with a sticker. You can even pick it up at their website. So I'm just gonna try and stick some of these stickers in this cap and show it to you. Shall we stick some stickers over here? So you can stick as per your liking. I'm gonna stick few of them and show it to you all. So like that. As you can see, the packaging has become so cute after this attaching the stickers, right? I really like this. So this is how the packaging and the product claims looks like. Next, let's see the swatches of all the 5 variants of this lip oil. That's it for the swatches, guys. Now let's get into the review of this lip oil. First of all, the packaging, as I said before, is super cute. After just sticking these cute little stickers, I really like this concept from the brand end. And the doe foot applicator, as I said, it is quite big and it just hugs the lips and it's great for application. As you can see, I really liking it a lot, because it's super hydrating and it provides that glassy, juicy finish as the brand claims. I really like such glossy looks, especially right now, and it's so good. It's like great for simple everyday looks. Even if you are a college goer or office goer person, these sheer pigmented lip oils does a great job for everyday use. So you can pick up any shade according to your so each variant of these lip oils have that particular theme, smell or fragrance to it, which is like quite indulging to me. For example, if this caramel variant smells like caramel when I apply, and I really like it a lot. So that's how it's so good. If you do not have pigmented lips, then any of these you can definitely give it a try. And if you have pigmented lips like me, then you can try any of these 3 shades called caramel, watermelon or strawberry. All these 3 look good on you, especially the strawberry and the caramel variant. It's my top 2 favorites because it looks beautiful on my pigmented lips as well, and it's gonna be my go-to from today, and I really like it a lot. I would give these a rating of 9.5 out of 10 because I would be happy if the brand could give a much more pigmented lip gloss for pigmented lips like mine, because I would really love to try that. But other than that, the performance and the variety, the packaging, everything is so good. So I would give this a 9.5 out of 10. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stylefit for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content. And if you like to watch such more long-form reviews, makeup tutorials and fashion hauls, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. That's it for today's video, guys. I'll also leave the product names along with the links in the description box below, guys. You can definitely check them out, and this is one of the worth trying lip oil, I would say. So do give it a try and let me know your opinion in the comments below. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, bye bye.